Scratched wood floors are the worst, but you can totally fix them up without spending a fortune or calling a pro right away. Okay, so first off, if your floor's got those small scratches, grab some wood filler or wax sticks that match your floor color. Super easy to use, and they fill in those scratches so no one notices. If the damage is a bit more serious, like deeper gouges or lots of scratches, refinishing your floor might be the way to go. That means sanding it down and reapplying a finish to bring back that smooth, shiny look. Don't forget, throwing down some area rugs in high-traffic spots can save your floor from getting scratched again, and it adds a cozy vibe to your space. Regularly cleaning your floors with a soft broom or microfiber mop helps prevent dirt and grit from scratching the surface. Avoid using harsh chemicals or soaking the wood because that can mess up the finish. Also, keep pet nails trimmed to stop those hidden scratches. Lastly, furniture sliders are lifesavers when you move stuff around. They keep your floor safe and sound. One of the biggest mistakes people make with scratched wood floors is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which just means more expensive repairs later. Fix this by dealing with scratches as soon as you spot them using wood fillers or wax sticks. Another issue is using the wrong cleaning products that strip the finish or leave residue. Stick to cleaners made specifically for wood floors to keep them looking fresh. The third common problem is dragging heavy furniture without protection, which causes deep gouges. Always use felt pads or furniture sliders to protect your floors when moving things around. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it gives contractors a chance to find new work and build their business by reaching people who need help with projects like fixing scratched wood floors.